Oh my God, did you just buy this syrup?
I did.
Hibiscus?
Well, not just, but
It looks really sweet. Let's make the driest drink ever with it.
Oh my God, come watch and see what happens.
welcome to Combat Cocktails. Dan, Ian, and Derek. We're going to show you how to make a Hibiscus Gin Sour.
Why
Now,
wouldn't we?
Because, well, why? I would tell you because I bought this big thing of hibiscus syrups,
So we better make something out
and
of
I
it.
only used one drink earlier in the season. Whatever you want to call it when we do a
Earlier in the season?
block episode. This is season 48.
Season.
You know, this is my 16th year doing this fucking shit.
16th year?
Yeah.
Is that it?
Damn, you must be old. I've only been on here for 2 years.
I've been doing it long enough that let's see, 3, 4, 5. So my daughter would have been 5 when we started, and she was on last time
Can
as
you
a
believe
drinker.
it? I know. I was there.
Yeah,
Shit.
I know. Yeah, I mean, so you're old too.
I know. Oh, trust me.
So if you've been doing it 16, I've been doing it 12.
Yeah, something like that.
Something like
Since
that.
we've been downstairs.
Yeah, because you moved down, and then Curtis was here, and then I came over for a barbecue you guys were doing, and I didn't even know you were doing
Oh
it.
yeah, that was the time we did 60 cocktails.
Yes. Hendrix. Hendrix.
Hendrix contest.
Oh
We had to
my
make
God.
60 cocktails, all submissions. We taste tested all of them.
I came in. I
it took
came in
2
for the
days.
Bloody Mary.
That was a couple months later.
That was before I accepted Bloody Marys as my Lord and Savior.
Yeah.
I'm
still
I
waiting
didn't like
for
them, but now I'm like, yeah, I can have one of those.
I'm not ready for that yet.
Really? They're so good.
No.
It's fun. You get shrimp and bacon on them. and
Right?
shit.
See?
Yeah, that sounds like you just
Oh my
fucked
God.
up and changed this Bloody Mary and made it into a food.
No, it's good.
It's like a Pimm's.
Yeah, that's what
only
we
more
meant
savory.
It's a Pimm's.
I know,
bacon,
see?
Bacon Pimm's.
If it wasn't for the Bloody Mary,
No, Ian was
No,
saying
he would-
we wouldn't be
you
lovers.
gotta meet my boss. And you would like
Yeah,
my
I feel like
boss.
we would have just been a week later.
every time Ian came over to my house, he's like, "I got a new drink." I'm like, "Sweet." I'm like,
He's like, wait a minute, let's just go right to the source.
We're like, we don't like your boss.
She was like, "He's so handsome." I was like, "Oh my God!" I'm like, "Don't say that, Jen."
And then he woke up.
It's a good dream, though.
Oh, yeah, the recipe is 2 ounces of gin,
Yeah.
3/4 ounce of hibiscus syrup, 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice, and an egg white. Of course.
Another egg white.
That's
how
our
you do it.
Shake and stir.
No.
Shaker and stir.
Shaker and spoon.
Oh, shaker and spoon.
I don't know why they don't put their name. That's so
Shaker and
weird to me.
spoon.
Like it says it in small print on the back, and they have a website. But yeah, like there's a
Oh,
shaker with an
and
and
spoon.
sign and a spoon next to it.
Yeah, what are you doing over there?
Like a crispy ring.
I think when you shake it good, it smells.
They have a bunch of different flavors. I just I think I'm done selling syrups, so I just buy them. Like, you guys go check them out. Selling syrups would be great if like I made a lot of sales.
Yeah.
But like I could buy a 12-pack of syrups and like they might last me like 4 months before I move them all, and they only last for like a couple of years before you have to get rid of them. So I have a pile of BG Reynolds down there to use over the summer.
Yeah.
For like, but I can't sell them because they've hit their
Oh, look at
expiration.
that.
Oh, that's pinky.
Strawberry in a glass.
So
Oh,
pretty.
Fancy.
And the problem with selling a lot of syrups means a lot of work for me.
No,
Not
just
like that
affiliate link that.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So you're gonna go to Amazon and buy that.
Yeah, first go to Derek, then go to
Then
Amazon.
you go to Amazon, and then
Yes.
everything you buy for 2 weeks, I'll get credit for.
Yeah, see?
Yeah, it kind of works.
Yeah.
When I made Clear Ice, like when I do my Clear Ice videos and get millions of views, I have an affiliate link. So
Yeah,
I
see?
used to make like $20 a month just in ice cube trays. That's so stupid. Ooh, this is a nice looking. He's cheating and already.
Pascal, so Pascal, right? Am I saying that right?
Yes.
Yes.
Has been watching for 14 years.
My show?
Yeah.
We love Pascal.
Love
Never been in
Every minute.
Every
If you started watching the show right now, it would take you like 4 or 5 months.
Yeah. I know it had some
Just
bad
looks like-
minutes in there though, so
This looks like Nestle strawberry milk.
it does not taste like that.
It doesn't taste like Nestle strawberry milk. It doesn't even look like Nestle strawberry milk.
It does kind of look like
It's
it.
red.
It does not taste like Nestle strawberry milk.
It makes your mouth want to just cave in on itself,
Oh,
doesn't
wait,
it?
it just did.
It's sour. It's in the name.
Dry.
Gin
It is
sour.
dry.
It's a gin sour with hibiscus.
It's like I think it sucked my eyes in too.
If you could, you would.
It's It's so sour, my eyes went to the back of my head.
I came in, it's like dry, and it does.
It's like how is this any different than, say, the Clover Club? That's just raspberry. This one's
Clover Club.
It's the same thing. This sounds like it's going to be a mess for me to clean up.
I was hoping there was going to be enough it would overflow because he's holding it.
Yeah, he would probably just go like this and it would spill everywhere. So you sound like this is dry to you.
It is dry. I like it though.
That's such a line. That's awesome.
Yeah.
The eggs are with me today.
The shakes.
We're on the same team, me and the eggs.
The shakes tonight have been
the chemistry in the
on
shakes,
point. They're.
You have to make a drink on long.
Dry, but it's good.
It's been a good week.
Yeah.
Got my shakes.
I'm like, damn.
You think it's really that? Like, it literally says on here after opening it for up to 30 days in bold white letters. People have a lot of this going bad or something. I'm gonna keep this for at least a year.
Oh my!
We'll use it, damn it.
At least a year.
Well,
we're gonna be here like 5 years from now, and we'll be like, "Hey, remember that syrup?" And you're gonna be like, "Let's put it in a drink," and you're gonna fucking pull it out. It's gonna take us 20 minutes to open it because that shit's gonna be stuck on there.
Well, everything you say has been truly passed. My theory is, at worst case scenario, we make a drink over at the pool, and you just because I can use the whole
That's
thing.
true.
Like most of the time when syrups need to be used, I just make a big batch of 128 ounces, and that usually covers us. I like
it's
the
good.
color.
It's very dry.
It is
Lavender color.
It's very dry.
It is very dry, but it's good.
It's better than a standard gin sour. Like basically a gin sour. This is a gin sour, right? It's usually a 2-1-1, gin, sugar, simple sugar. What's the other one? A lemon. Right? And this, all they're doing is dialing it back to what we usually do, which is a 2 3/4 3/4 for most of our drinks. And you're using hibiscus, which I don't think is as sweet as simple syrup. But it gives you a different flavor, so you're not just drinking egg white and gin. Basically a gin sour.
That's good.
Like it.
I like it.
Egg white tends to dry things out.
Oh no, the egg white, it kind of dulls everything.
Well, hibiscus, because it isn't like sweet.
Right.
No, it's kind of earthy, very earthy, like a subtle flavor. Like every one of these.
Like you think it's like you look at it and you're like, oh, it's gonna be sweet,
right? Because it's fucking red.
Sweet. Yeah.
It's like, oh, it's like grenadine. It's
like
darker than grenadine.
It's a red herring.
No, it's hibiscus.
That's a bird, Ian. It's not a bird.
You get
That's a fish.
my other option was
Fine.
this was going to be my backup plan.
Red herring's a bird.
Oh, this is I had one of these in my fridge for like ever.
Yeah, I left it from.
I know.
Are you thinking of a
You
heron?
didn't finish it?
Oh, we did a long time ago.
Yeah, so like
No, a herring is a bird.
the juice in here is probably
We'll look it
hibiscus.
up in a second.
Yeah.
I'll look it up.
But I thought it
you'll
would
look
make
it up.
more sense to buy something.
Let's both look it up so I know you're not
Because
lying.
this is the syrup for hibiscus.
Yeah.
That's hibiscus syrup. Syrup for hibiscus syrup. Education. I don't know. I feel like you can use some of this, but then you open this
I
whole
don't
thing.
know. The Google finish is a herring a fish.
Yeah, pickled herring.
When I say what is it?
It's not a bird.
What are you? What
Is it a bird?
Herring is a bird. It's also.
It's a herring.
It's a fish.
Bird.
A herring's a fish.
It's a fish.
Yeah, I know. A pickled herring is a fish.
Yes.
But what I'm saying is, I think there's a herring is a bird.
A large white gray bird. That
Yes.
is often mistaken for a seagull.
But
you're-
it's not
you're thinking
spelled
But it's a
herring,
gull.
Okay.
It's a gull.
All right.
Yeah, it's not
I'll give you a
spelled-
pass, even though you're lying, John.
It's spelled differently, but
No, it's not.
No, there's heron, the
It's
great
herring.
blue heron, but there's
Herring.
herring.
now I don't. Now I'm questioning my own thoughts. Now.
That's my job.
I don't even know. Maybe I'm thinking a heron.
It shows
What?
it says gull, and then shows a picture of a bird.
Okay.
Heroin? Heroin's something you do to
Not
have fun.
Your Google is a lie.
No, not heroin. Heroin is a hero.
Oh, a hero.
That's one definition.
Well, I figured we were doing the riff off the definition thing,
The other's a good time.
which is what he said. Anyway, that's neither here nor there. I would say.
Oh, see, Bob came. See, Jen?
What?
Oh, heron.
It's a heron.
Yeah, it's spelled different.
No,
Yeah.
it's a herring.
No, yeah, I
I
think.
just looked it up.
I-
It's a
Heron
gull.
eating herring.
I think you're wrong,
I get
Jen.
confused with a seagull. I'm not wrong.
I think
I believe you, Jen.
you're wrong,
I think
Jen.
I've heard of that, but I think when people talk about herrings, they're usually talking about fish.
I don't know. I thought of a bird.
And that's okay.
Yep.
Pascal's gonna produce some of our shows.
Gonna produce them. Like you sit on the couch and yell at us.
Yeah, I mean that's what Jen does. If you do more, that would be awesome.
Because I mean,
ask for your opinion, Dan.
it only works though. You've got to be a female because we're just used to being yelled at. by
Yeah, we definitely need to get yelled at because
Right.
we never know when to start, we never know when to end, and god damn it, we do not know when to do an intro.
Basically,
You're right. You don't.
basically, like if she wasn't here, this would just be a 7-hour episode.
Sometimes you just need a professional critic in your
We
midst
do.
Yeah.
to like just.
Oh, I mean, it is a little.
You like me. You value me. Just admit it.
Wow.
Yes, Jen, we do.
Like me
Of
and
course, Jen.
value me.
You are not a DEI hire.
I'm tired because I'm female.
She's gonna throw that cat at you.
I said she's not.
Right. But since she's not single, she has kids. She's not just a cat lady.
Yeah.
Different.
True. Do you turn into a cat lady after though?
Yeah, maybe.
When
Yeah,
your
but
kids
it's-
like start to move out, and then
I was
they
gonna say
don't-
you did get the cats
Not
now
the
that
same.
the kids are starting to go away.
That's right.
So
Yeah.
I don't think it's the same type of cat lady though.
No,
I
not
was
same
thinking
type.
I could have got a dog because then when the kids move out, they can watch the dog.
When
Yeah.
When she starts dyeing her hair blue,
See,
that's
you're
when I
like,
get the word.
shut.
I didn't pink this.
Yeah.
That's all right. These cats take a lot of energy. They can watch the cats.
Yeah.
Those cats are so chill.
Yeah, it's like to wipe their
They
ass.
don't like to be by themselves.
No, I can tell.
Anyway, that's neither here nor there again. Make this if you're into gin sours, you're looking for something more interesting, and you already bought the hibiscus syrup for our last drink. So now you're like, what else do I do with it? You just keep making. You could probably put it in margarita too, by the way.
Oh,
You
of
can
course.
just put this into all
You
your
can put
drinks.
it into all the drinks.
Use that instead of your simple syrup for your basic recipes.
You can make like bourbon brambles with like yeah. I mean, you can do that. Yeah, we'll try it.
Damn.
We're gonna try one soon.
Right. Like
Yeah.
5 minutes. Ian, there you were.
I mean, Ian's gonna make it.
Right.
What? What's going on?
Yeah, he agreed already, right?
See?
We got it on tape. You're in.
You go to shop.AwesomeDrinks.com.
It's
You
like
get
a
yourself,
recorded meeting. No one's gonna go back and watch.
get yourself marked and start to
You
get.
transcribe that shit and AI does a
Yeah.
recap for
It
you.
does.
You can go get this affiliate link. That's the link below. That's it. We're done. We're teaching you how to drink.